The big deal. Thank you for joining. Today we're here with none other than the real estate lion, Brian Ozuna.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
Thank you
so
for
much.
joining.
Yes, ma'am.
Brian.
Yes.
What's a big deal that you want to share with us today? Roll right into it. I know you can.
Okay, right to it.
Spit it out.
I love it.
Share it.
17 units, townhouse package deal in Fontainebleau. Asking price was 4.5. I closed this deal with my Russian Jew clients from Miami Beach. This was a cash deal, starting off the year hot. They wanted 4.5. I came in. I showed them the deal. I had the deal. I saw it on LoopNet.
Was this from the MLS or from? Okay.
It was on LoopNet. So it was an active listing. It wasn't an off market. It was on the market. I saw it. I knew exactly what my clients were looking for. I calculated the numbers on site. I sent it to them right away, and it was a phone call I got at 6 in.
How did you do the numbers? Like, what did you first look at?
So so thanks to George, I have.
Thanks to George. No.
I gotta give him props. So
today's thanks to D.
Yeah. All right. So me and him, we look at numbers once a week. So every Wednesday, we have multifamily Wednesday. So we have a master calculator where we input the numbers and it gives us the numbers and just click. So for me, I could do this in my sleep. Once I did the numbers, I sent it to them. It was a phone call I got at 6 in right after I got off the gym. And I knew it was a deal because he was like, send me the numbers to this ASAP. I already did the numbers, so I had them. I knew they were gonna make sense, but I knew that at the 4 million mark where we actually closed the deal at, that was gonna make sense, which we ended up closing at $235K a door.
Oh, wow, for townhouses.
2 bedrooms,
Where's that
2
deal
baths.
now?
Yeah, exactly. So we were able to manage this. Not only we were able to sell, but me and Karen, we came in. We also were able to property manage where we're taking care of all the 17 units where we have the tenants come in, they're renting, but then my guys every once in a while want to sell. So we're able to sell too. We already have about 4 of them sold up to date separately. They came in, did renovations, and we went ahead and sold them.
Who referred you? It was a direct contact, or did the buyer? I mean, like, did the seller? He's like, "Here's my man."
Here's my man.
No. If it weren't that I see it, because I'm with you in the office often enough, I wouldn't just believe it. But it happens to you.
So that was my biggest deal up to date. It was 4.5. We came down to 4 million. Again, 235 a door, unheard of. And the beauty is now we have 17 in this case, we have now 14 that we manage. And my guys, like I said, every now and then, sell these. I want to sell them or hold off, take them out. We don't want to sell or we do want to sell. My thing is, let's sell them. We have so many of these. Let's go ahead and sell. You guys don't want to keep them for long. So that investment, I mean, we're still working on that. It's an investment that, leaves me with business for a long time.
Well, I mean, you know what, Brian? With you, it's. I see that you're consistent. You've been consistent since day one. Yes. I mean, again, you're also another lifer, 10 years plus with RESF, and the growth from then to now is really been from being consistent, and the hustle and the hard work, that I see. What are just, I don't know, share with, maybe, share with the audience, what are some tips that kind of, what keeps you going? What do you do? Because, I mean, I know everybody loves Brian.
Thank you.
So what is it?
So for me, when I became a fireman, the mentality switched for me. I'm talking 22, 23 years old. I became a fireman and I became real like hardcore steel, where it's like almost militant to a place to where I don't even recognize myself sometimes. So what I learned in the fire department and the fire service while I was serving, that mentality of
the consistency, the
courage, consistency, the dedication,
a lot of dedication,
integrity,
accountability,
all that I put into real estate, where it just it puts me aside from everybody else. And, I guess that's how I shine.
But what keeps you so interested in the investments, in the, in the multifamily? Like what, because it's like, wow, day in, day out, you're
every
just,
day. It's oxygen for me.
You can see it in your face. You can hear it in your laugh.
For me, it's oxygen, but honestly, for me, I don't even know. I don't know. It's like when you love to do something like that, it's natural to me. It's I don't even see this as a.
I'm gonna say one thing in this journey. And we don't have her here today, but she will be next time. I do want to say that with Karen, your partner in this, I've seen the growth in both of you, and I guess depending on each other, helps.
Yes.
So
big time. Because what Karen allows me to do is go out there and meet and greet other people. And what she does in the back end, which is, again, very important, contracts, making sure everything's up to date.
I need a Karen. I need a Karen. I need a Karen.
Where I don't have to worry about that.
I need her.
And I'm, engaging. Okay, I got a new listing, perfect, boom, that's in. I got another one, boom, perfect, that's in. Where I don't have to think about the steps, making sure this is already sent, the email, the administration work is already taken care of. So Karen to me is like, it's gold.
Yeah.
It's gold.
Yeah. No, like the yin and the yang.
Yes.
And even in that, you guys have also been able to grow into a team, and the following that you have, it's like you even have agents that follow you, not just people that want, you to represent them.
Yeah.
It's incredible how viral, you do go. And I think it's an energy that everybody wants to be around.
Again, I stay grounded. I stay, again, very spiritual as well. The man upstairs has a lot to do with this. Again, you see me and you not think that at all. Mm-hmm. But that's another side of me that not everybody gets to see.
Yeah.
Again, very diligent to what I'm doing. I'm every day just learning, rubbing elbows with the best. I try to see George at least a few minutes a day. That way I can just pick up on something where, I take that and I mix it to my, to the Lion way.
Yeah, you make it you.
Right. The dedication I have, again, it comes from within. And again, from my upbringing, from when I used to sell sneakers to now making the transition of selling, $1 million property, I still have that energy. It's still there. I don't know. You asked me where do you get that from?
No, I do believe. I believe in the aura and the energy,
yes.
right? And you pay it forward,
correct.
And I believe in all that. And so I guess one final thing is, does the Real Estate Lion have a roar yet? Like, have you practiced that? Like a roar? Like
Not necessarily. Now, if my videos and my reels, that will be something that will be coming soon. But not personally.
No. Okay. Next time.
Next time.
Well, we bring in Karen.
Oh, definitely.
Okay,
she definitely needs to come in here so she can have her side of the story as well.
Yes.
Of our story.
Well, thank you for joining.
Thank you for having me, Thea. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Besito.
Yes. Thank you.